What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is time for another windshield. This will be windshield number 3. We've already got it down here. I've already put my window tint on because it is super easy to tint these before they go in the truck. I know somebody told me not to tint it ahead of time because it might mess with it. I don't care. It's just way too easy to tint it while it's out here laying flat. So I've got me a layer of 50% tint already on it. We made sure to trim it good on the edge. I got it trimmed just barely onto the black. We've also prepped it so it has been cleaned with alcohol, cleaned really well, multiple times with alcohol. We used a primer. So we have a 3M primer on there. And I know some people recommended some other type of stuff, some of the Sika, I don't know how to pronounce it, some of the Sika stuff. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any quick enough, and I really wanted to hurry up and get a windshield in. So the stuff I got in super fast, and again, this is just all I could get in really fast, is this. I changed up from the 3M window weld I used before, went to this other 3M urethane. It's made for glass. I trust 3M, they got good stuff. I actually think the other window weld I got a hold of, I bought it from one of the local part stores. I believe that stuff was old, just really old. It made no sense why there was some still wet in the truck. Almost a week later, we were about a good 5 days later, and there was some still completely wet in the truck, even after being outside, being in the heat for several days. So let me show you here. Give this once over. We got everything pulled apart, taken apart. We got in here and did some cleaning. Really good. I'm sure somebody's still gonna make some comments that, you know, it sucks, we didn't do a good job. But it's all clean, it's all smooth, and it's been primed. It's been primed, it's been prepped, it's been cleaned. Let's shoot some urethane and get this windshield in. Stay tuned. Oh. All right, time to go. We're adding glue. We're doing all this in real time, no speeding up or fancy effects. This video is all about installing the windshield. So y'all can comment and critique and tell us
how much we're doing wrong.
How shitty of a job we're doing. Let me get my gloves on.
Yeah, I was tired of wearing this shit off.
Yeah, if this stuff gets on you, it does not like to come off. I think I still have some on my arm from a week ago, over a week ago.
This actually is coming out way easier than the other.
We are gonna apply a lot. I think we ended up using about a tube and a half. We started with 1 tube. Of course, that broke loose, so then we went back and added more. This time I've got 2 full tubes I'm prepared to shoot on here, whatever it takes. See if I can even get these gloves on. Such a noob.
Got them Rutherford hands.
I ain't got hands as big as Kyle. I got short, stubby hands. But they're good and thick.
I'm gonna feel this tomorrow.
Yeah, forearm burning. So now we're gonna see how well everybody likes the live action working videos. Everybody says they don't want me to talk too much. I can imagine how boring this video would be if I didn't talk and narrate and explain what was going on. I'd just be staring at us, staring at the truck. But this is a good time for everybody to give me their comments, what they think. How do you like the difference from me working, talking, and just letting the camera roll, just shooting what we're doing in real time and trying to explain everything as I go.
There you go.
All right.
She's tight now. Yeah, if you keep it half cocked, it seems to pump better.
Half cocked. Yeah.
No, you flip
What?
it. You flip
Huh?
that back around and do half trigger.
It's already in.
You'll see.
No, I was trying to squeeze it in before I had pressure on it. Whatever, I got it.
Don't let the trigger all the way back out. Go about half or a little more. See, it pumps easier.
Yeah. I can get better leverage on that handle.
Look. Fucking spam.
See, I'm looking at this and I got a tall bead, but I just feel like there's not enough. Like I'm gonna do multiple beads down the
Just
side.
remember, it'll smash down really nice. We're gonna do a little bit more tapping on this windshield to get it in than the last one too.
Still, I'm feeling like we should use all 2 tubes.
I think you're just gonna have a big mess everywhere. Feeling that forearm workout, aren't you?
Yeah. Well, you tell me what you think.
I actually want to add a little bit right here.
'Cause I feel like this is just too skinny. Like it's gonna hit and just like it's not a fat enough glue bead to grab hold of. I'm being paranoid is what it is.
See that? All right, just a bit more. You can let go of it.
I'm keeping you some pressure on there. Feel like my glue bead's too skinny. I like them thick.
Glue beads like you like your dick.
Yeah. Well, whatever. If there's any left in the tube, I'm gonna go back and at least double it up down here.
There you go. Should be all right. Pumping good for me. Full cock. Make sure you get plenty in this corner, and this bottom corner.
I feel like there's plenty in the corner.
Okay.
I'm pretty much out, I think. Yep, I'm out.
Grab that windshield.
No, we gotta let it set up for a little bit. So this is where I'm thinking, feel like we should pull the second tube and put the second tube on the windshield, double it up,
Jesus
and
Christ.
then
You know how big a mess you're gonna have. This stuff's got to go somewhere.
we gotta, this is test and tune. We're learning as we go. Either way, let's give it at least 5 minutes. I want to give it 5 minutes to tack up a little bit before we lay the windshield on.
Cool.
I know
Smoke
we
break.
gotta do that. So, we'll pause the camera. We'll be right back. 5 minutes. All right, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes, and yes, I added more glue, in case you haven't noticed. I bought an extra tube, so we used it. We gunked this thing up with a ton of glue. I don't know if there's such thing as too much, but we gonna find out. I know, some windshield guy's rolling in his sleep right now going, I can't believe you put that much glue on there. Yeah, we did it, so here we go. Let's get the windshield on. Yeah, hold on. I got some on my gloves, but coming in. On in. You think you're about lined up?
It's way too hard to tell right now.
All right.
I feel like we gotta go your way, but
Yeah, it looks like we gotta come my way.
how you doing on your side?
I look good. You can probably come my way a hair if you need to.
I've got about a 1/4 inch on my side.
I'm about the same on the bottom. Trying to keep it pulled down tight against our stopper. And damn it, I grabbed hold of it wrong.
How's your top doing?
My top looks fine.
Okay, so does mine.
That's it. Drop it. We're in. I got a bunch of glue on my hand. All right. Gloves coming off. And I bring my paper towels out here.
You need a lot of cement right there. You're up high there.
Hot here.
Yep, flat hand. See what it's doing there?
Yep.
You keep working it your way. See if there's any before it works out. There she goes. She's seating it now. Ah, damn it. I feel like
I'm not an expert, but I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express one time.
about
Watched a few YouTube
8
videos.
inches from the corner, right about there.
Here.
Yeah, I feel like that needs tapped down more. It's bulked up a little bit right there. You see it?
See, this is where I'm getting concerned. It almost looks like I'm sinking in too far. Like I'm
No.
in further than what
You need to be below this.
here. Well, I'm way below it in this corner. This corner really sunk in.
I'm about a 16th below the edge.
I don't know. It just looks all weird to me. Like here it looks level, here it looks down, here it looks down. I'm definitely below it.
All right? It just looks up right
No,
there.
it's definitely
Okay.
in.
I say we roll with it.
It is in.
Let
Cool.
that shit dry and then trim off all the excess.
Yep. Oh, I guess that's it. We're going to leave it, not touch it. I got some other little things I can work on. No playing the stereo.
Damn it.
It is going to cure over the weekend. It is only Thursday now, so we'll sit from here until Monday. At least Monday morning, we'll come in, check it, see what it feels like. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That gives us a full 4 days. 4 days of cure time. And I guess let me know in the comments. Is 4 days of cure time enough before I can start testing the stereo again? Tell me what you think. If you're a windshield guy, hit me up with some expert advice. Should I play it Monday or should I wait? Make sure I know before Monday morning. This video will be up over the weekend. Y'all see it. I don't know.
Either way, if the glue holds, we'll know how good a Pilkington is.
Oh yeah, we didn't mention, this is a Pilkington, an authentic Pilkington windshield. I finally got it. Bought 2 windshields. Both of them came from Pilkington. One is a Pilkington. I can't.
This one, it's right here.
Yeah, I don't know if we can see it with a 10 on it right now, but it is an authentic Pilkington. It is made in Mexico. The other one that came from Pilkington is a Trival named windshield, and it is made in China. So right now, that made in China Trival is going to be my backup windshield. I'm gonna keep it as a just in case. And I know I can get these within a few days. I actually ordered this windshield on Monday. It came in today on Thursday. So as soon as this one blows, I will get another one ordered. And if I don't have to use the made in China one, I'm gonna try not to, because we put a set of calipers. So we checked the windshields out. I got some calipers. This windshield was about 5.1 millimeters thick. The Trival came in at 4.7 millimeters thick. The FYG came in at 5 millimeters thick, and my old original LOF windshield came in about 5.1 millimeters thick. That one's of course shattered and really hard to measure. So The Pilkington, I think, is the best out of the bunch from what I've measured, what I've seen, what I've handled with it. I know that FYG had some really weird distortion to it when I got it, some vertical lines in the windshield. It was really weird, had some crazy effect to it. This one, I haven't noticed anything like that. This one looks very well made. I've got all my trust in this Pilkington. I think it's going to do us well.
We will see you next week.
Yeah.
Well, next weekend for sure.
We'll find out, because before I go to the next show is Incriminator Audio Show, aka Triple Fest, April 27th. We'll be there that weekend, and I plan on turning this thing up a lot, more than what it's shown in the past, and hoping to put up a really, really good score at that show. And I need the windshield to hold and be able to do that. So the fingers crossed for us, but I got to know how much to turn it up. I haven't even done that. I haven't come anywhere close to getting full power out of these amps since I changed subs. The efficiency's really good. Score's up, power's down. I just got to get a windshield to hold in testing. Tell you what's going to suck is if I blow a windshield every week in testing. That's going to be horrible. I'm getting these windshields at a really good price now, but between windshields, glue, the primer, the prep, all that stuff.
Downtime.
Yeah, it gets expensive fast, very fast. So.
Not to mention my labor.
Oh yeah, labor. Anyways, that's it. You got to see us install a windshield so you can critique us and tell us all the stuff we did wrong. Because I'm not afraid to say I'm new to this. I'm learning. We're going to figure out what failed, why it failed. We know we didn't prep the last windshield good, so we made sure to do a lot of prep, a lot of cleanup work ahead of time. We did a lot of glue here, so I guess we're going to find out if that was a good or a bad. We'll figure it out. It's probably going to cost me thousands in windshields to figure out, but whatever. That's what it takes to be on top. So that's it. Let's wrap this video up. Remember, guys, if you like what we're doing, thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, ring the bell for notifications. Don't forget to let us know what you think in the comments. And that's it. New windshield.